new brand that supply large desks. Here's a photo of large desk we really like.
Wow, that looks good. How much does it cost?
Each large desk is priced at 7,900, but if we order a minimum of 10 pieces, we get a discount price of 5,700 each.
Sounds good. I'll go ahead and create the product in our catalog.
I will go now.
Click Sales. Click New. Put the name of the product. Change the product type. Then click Goods. Set invoicing policy to delivered quantity. Sales price to 5,700. Taxes will automatically be set to 12%. Enter the cost as 7,900. In category, click All or Saleable. Then in internal references, select 001. Next, go to Purchase. Add a line. Type Wood Corner. Click Create and Edit. Fill out the following information. Then add the logo. Then click Save and Close. Go back to the purchase. Put the quantity 1. Then put the cost to 12,500. Then add a line, put Wood Corner, then put 10 as the quantity and put the sales price, which is 7,980. Add the picture of the product. Then click the Save manually.
Hey Christine, I thought you purchased the large. What are your monthly sales estimates?
Between 9 and 10 units per month.
Alright, I'll start by purchasing 10 cabinets to start with.
Great, go ahead.
In purchase, click New. Put the name of the company to vendor. Put the order deadline, then apply. On product, put the product and add the quantity.
Then click Send Email. Click the PDF and click Send to send it to the customer. Click the Confirm Order.
Hello, I'm the driver from Woodcourt. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open the loading area?
Okay, go to drop, ship, I'll validate the receipt.
Now let's create a receipt. In inventory, click the receipt. Now let's create a receipt. Click the validate to see the print labels and take a look at this information.
Hi, we received a bill from the vendor. I put it on your desk. Can you create a check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due is in 2 months.
Let's control the bill. Go to Account. Then select Bills. Type the customer. Then put the product quantity and the percentage. Then confirm.
Hi, Brando from Azure Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desk in your category. Can you set up code for free desk to Brandon at game@odoo.com?
You'll get it by email right now. And in order to create the sales product, let's create new in customer. Type random. Click the order lines and add a product and type a large desk. Next, send by email and put customer's email. And save and close. Then, you will see like what we have done earlier and send it to our customer or to Brandon and click the button to confirm.
I'm in the meeting this morning. Can you process the validate deliveries order that are ready for shipment today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interiors is shipped.
Okay, I'll check this right away. Thank you. As you can see here, here's the delivery order and the order details of Brandon. After that, in inventory, click delivery orders. Check Brandon's delivery details, then click. And then validate.
can you validate which sales order we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I'm on it. In sales, click to invoice to see the ORD invoice. Then click the order. Click create invoice. Then click regular invoice to create graph invoice. Then confirm. Then click send. Put customer's email and your company email. Then click send. There you go. Then click to see preview. You can download it. Oh, there's payment notification. Let's register this payment in the invoice. In accounting, click the customer to create invoices so we will see Brandon's record to payment. Click pay. Then click create payment. Can you tell me about net profit of this year? I need a board for meeting tomorrow.
Okay, let me check the profit and loss report.
Let's go to analyze profit for reporting. In accounting, click reporting. Then click profit and loss. Now we can see that the profit and loss. Now let's download the point of sale and let's proceed to the next step. Roger, I like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of the accessories you can easily sell on the site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the documents with all products, accessories, information. I will email to you the link.
Great, I'll import this file directly in the system. In point of sale, first click configuration, then click settings. Then scroll down to see the bills and receipts. Then click the self-service invoicing. Then click save. Then download the products. Then click the products and select products. Click the options to import the records. Then click upload data file to select POS product. Lastly, select import.
I love this 11. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good! With today's special offer, when you buy 2 identical items, you get 20% discount on the 2.
Great! I pay in cash. Here is $600.
In point of sale, click continue setting. Then click the LED lamps. Then type the 20% discount. Then click payment. Click the number 600 for the amount to validate. Then click validate.
Hi, I got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
We're closing the shop. I close my POS and be there in a minute.
Okay.
Lines on the right side. Then select close register. Then click close register.
How do you control the cash from your right?
There's functionality in auto payment. I'll figure the options, but then I'll send some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new session. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you 5 and 15.
In point of sale, click open register. Then click this. Then click this to change the amount needed.
then confirm, and click Open Register.
Hi, I'll take this white one. Is it possible to get the invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Denise May Ramos, 3202 H Street, Asheville, MZ 28801. Phone is 443-64-89155. I'll pay cash here in $20.
Let's click the customer to put the personal information. Then save. Next, click the order whiteboard. Then click the payment to process. Put the amount. Then click validate.
Hi, I called yesterday. I bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem. When someone wants to return their items, let's do this. Click the item that will be refunded. Click the negative. Then save. Then click the quantity, which is 1. Then click 224. Then click the validate to print the receipt. Okay. D. Don't forget to set the closing balance. You'll need to add all the coins and bills you have in the register drawer.
Yes, I will.
Click the 3 lines in the right, then select Close Register. And click this. Then click the amount worth 438 pesos. Then click Confirm and Close Register.
Hey, can you tell me which products are the best sellers?
I'll check the orders reporting. Now, let's analyze the POS table. Point of sale, click the reporting to select the orders. Then click the measures to show the product quality. The product quantity to create pie chart. Then group by to show the product identity. Next, we have the self-services that we need to download the project and timesheets. I'll create the project up to structure our services. What are the steps involved in designing an offices?
It starts with an on-site meeting to check their office and gather information. Then I prepare 3 designs proposal based on their feedback. I model a floor plan, then a sales rep does the quotation with the new products.
Okay, thanks. I'll create the stages and set an email address to sign up on the project to is the correct creation of stocks. Click the project and select New. Then change the name into Office Design. Then click Create the project and here type the meeting and add. Type the sign, then add. Type the floor plan, then the quotation, then type done. And add. Lastly, click the project to save.
Hi, Google Enya asked us to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to design at your domain name.odo.com. This subject Google NY to create a test for a company.
Okay.
To create a task, send an email to the furniture company.
First thing, we should have a new task for Google NY, the project office design. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I'll start the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meeting with the customer next week. Once the meeting is done, I'll work on the design proposal.
Now, let's perform the job. First, click the office design, check this icon, and click the schedule an activity. And in activity type, change into meeting, and type in summary, visit Google's office. Third, click open calendar to see it, and in meeting, click the circle button to select in.
I think it's a mistake to offer our office design services for free. If we sell it, customer will better understand the value of other.
You're right. We can sell this service at $50 per hour. I'll create the product office assigned service that you can use in your quotations. I'll configure it to generate tasks for every sales order.
Okay.
And configure product, click sales, and click products. Select new, then change the name to office design service from the product name. Then unselect purchase. While in product, type change into service. Then sales price on 50. And invoicing policy, change it based on timesheets. Also, to create an order, change it to task. And in project type, office design, then save manually.
I just confirmed our first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design services estimated at 20 hours. The customer loved it and confirmed the order.
Awesome! Check that task has been created on automatically for Christine.
Okay.
Select sale and select orders, then add new. Then select new, and in customer type the Jackson Group, then create. And click add a product to type office design service. Then change the quantity to 20. Click confirm. Click the task 1 to see the information. Christine, don't forget to record your timesheets on task as we charge our customers based on our spend.
Hold on, I'm on the call with the Jack. Okay, I've just started to work on the design of the Jackson and I love the time spent.
Thanks. Use timesheets app. That's easy.
In timesheet, click timesheet and start to change the internal to office design. And click pass to select the Jackson room. And to describe your activity time, first call to define your needs. Then click stop. Then the information will appear under it.
Can you check if we still have the sales order in invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated a draft invoice. You can review them.
Okay, thank you.
In Invoice Customer, first click Seal, then click Invoice to select Order to Invoice. Next, click Create Invoice and make sure if it is a regular invoice and create draft invoice, then confirm it. And check the information if everything is correct before sending and printing. Next topic is all about manufacturing. Let's download or install manufacturing and quality.
Hi, we just finished the plan to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I'll create our products in the system as well as the bill of materials according to your plan. Manufacturing, to define the bill of materials, we need to click manufacturing, then click products and select the product. Next, click the new to change the product name to the table. Then select sales and purchase. Then click goods. Select track inventory. In invoicing policy, select order quantities. Change the sales price as 330 and the cost will be 115. Click the inventory in rows to select manufactured. Click products, then select bills of manufacturers. Next, click the new and change the product to the table. In components, a new line and type table top. Add line and type table legs. Put per quantity on the table leg. Add line and put both and put per quantity. Now, save manually. Hi, can you give me a quotation for 100 tabletops, for 100 table lights, and for 100 bolts?
Sure, here are 4 offers.
Sounds good. I'll send you a purchase order by email.
Okay.
To purchase raw materials, click Purchase. To click New and change the vendor name to Only Wood Corporation Incorporation. Next, click Add a product to type a tabletop and set the quantity as 100 pieces. Then remove UOOM. Then unit price as 40. Type table leg. Then change quantity into per 100 and unit price at 12. Change the quality to per 100 and unit price to 0.50. The add bolt quantity is 400, unit price is 0.50. Then click confirm order. And click send PO by email. Fill out the information of Only Wood Incorporation and check the information before sending it.
Hello? We just received the product from Only Wood Incorporation. There are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only labored 80 days tabletop. Should I validate this receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with the back order for 20 remaining products. They'll deliver the remaining products later. To receive products, click Inventory and click to receive. And click to process. And click to validate to see the information. Christine, we got all the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm on.
Manufacture 3 tables, go to manufacturing, click operation to select manufacturing orders. Click new and change the product name to table and quantity to 3. Then save, click confirm. And check product all if it's correct before select.
I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly station, and painting room. Can we put a table with instruction in each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll create the routing table production with 2 operations, assembly and painting from the bill of materials.
Thanks. I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
Yes. In routines and work center, click manufacturing, click the products to select bills of materials. Click the table to click operations. In operations, our routing is set up. We can create manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders when plan operations become available in the table of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
So to plan an order, we need to see work center overview to click operations to show manufacturing orders. So in manufacturing, click operation, then select manufacturing orders, then click new. In product, to put tables, then save manually. Click the operations again to show work orders.
Hi, we got 5 customers complaining about in their tables look like tabletop separates from the leg after a few months.
It's probably related to the DS. I will create a quality control to assembly operations. To measure the torque, we will ensure that the measures will stay between 11 and 15 mm.
Okay, thank you.
To add quality check and quality overview, click quality control to show control points. Then click new to add the title and type torque setting. And in product, select tables, and in control, first selection all. While in product categories, select all. In type, select measure. In norm, type 13, then type mm. Into tolerance is 11 to 15. In operations, type my office manufacturing. Then in type of operation, select manufacturing. In sequence, properties, type 00. In reservation method, select all confirmation, then save and close. Then in work order operations, select assembly while worksheet page type 3. Then save manually. Christine, I added a control point in assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the work center control panel.
For your information, the torque setting measure should be between 11 and 15 mm. To check your quality test, first go to manufacturing, then click operation and select manufacturing orders. Then click new. In product, type table. In bills of materials, type table. In product, put table. Top, put 1 in unit. Table leg per unit. Bolt per unit, then confirm. Go to operations again. Then click scrap. The process all.
Hi, to post my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table being manufactured including the time and the materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for the theoretical cost if you want to update it.
Thank you.
Manufacturing, click products to show the bills of materials. Then click the product and to select the table. Then click BOM overview to see, then click the table. Click BOM overview and in sell online in Soul e-commerce. I'm launching our new website. Any idea that we should put in our homepage?
I like website. We with a power on top, customized with an office image as a background. I would put some key numbers like a 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 designs, product, and 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns. You customize, we design, and we manufacture.
That sounds good. In our homepage, we are going to add some cover. You can adjust the font placement and color if you want. Then we are going to add our logo from the top. After that, we are going to add numbers under the cover. I will just going to edit it out based on the information given to us. Then after that, we will add 3 columns and edit it out because of the information given. Lastly, we will edit the contact information of the web page at the very bottom. Then we save it.
Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online? Okay, I'll create the product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
So on our web page, click the new. Then the product, we are going to fill up the product name, office chair. Sales price is $120. Add the picture of the office chair and then save.
There have no sales for our new office chairs online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
Our target keywords people are looking for on Google within promote tool. Okay, so from our website, inside select optimize SEO, fill up the title description, office chair on sale, then add a description. Get the best office chairs for sale, but now, we're going to add some keywords. Office chair. Then add the picture of the product. Then we have to save it.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variants feature and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors: gray, black, white, and purple, and 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. We can even put a custom embroidery with their names on it.
So first, we are going to sales, then configuration, and in settings, we are going to check the variant and save. After in sales, go to products, then click the office chair. Then we go to attributes and variant. We are going to add attributes. Type size, small operator,
medium, then create, and large to create. Add another line for gray, then create, black, then create, white, then create, and purple, then create. Add another line and put embroidery, custom, and no embroidery. Then save manually. Then click the size, click select, then check all the free text. Then do the same to colors and embroidery. Then save manually. Buying a product online?
Sure. On our website, click Shop, then select Office Chair. Choose a size, color, and embroidery. Then, add to cart. Then, select View Cart. Click, then fill up the necessary details needed. Then, confirm the order.
Last month, we did $350,000 in revenue through the website with an average card size of $250.
Can we upsell customer by proposing options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will send at option for the chair. This warranty has two variants, 3 or 5 years. So in our website, go to e-commerce, then select products. Click new, then type the product name as warranty. Product type as service. And then the sale price was 50 pesos. After that, we go to attributes and variants. We will add duration with a value of years and 5 years. And then we save manually. Then we will go to products. Then click the office chair. Click the seals. And then add the warranty in the option product. Then we save it. To check if it's working, we're just going to our website. And then shop, click the office chair, and then add to cart. You will see the warranty at available options of your new warranty service.
I love your new warranty services. It will be great to write news article about it.
Okay, I'll set a blog on our website and write the first post. So go to website and click new. Then click blog post. We are just going to install it. After you install it, click the blog post. Then type in select blog, my office incorporation. In title, year warranty on furniture, our quality contract. Then save it. After that, you can insert your blog. After inserting your blog, don't forget to save it.
Ubusin ko lang tawa ko!
2, 3, go!
In point of sale,
We got it all for you. Natutuling ako. Yung paningin ko tatlo. Tapos, wait lang. Sapalin mo. Huwag ka lang sa tumingin kay MJ. Wait lang. Ayaw mag-focus. Mag-focus ka pa eh. Uy!